In this practical pointer, I am going to show you how LASTRADA NCR module is used. The primary purpose of the NCR is communicating any non-conformities in the process and to notify your organization. Refer to LASTRADA Fast Track Procedure, use NCR 01 for configuring the NCR text resulting from causation, problem area, and status of material. In this aggregate sample, we see the NCR button is red because LASTRADA identified a discrepancy in the sample. Technicians click on the NCR button to log the NCR and start the documentation and notification process. When a technician launches the NCR from a QC module, LASTRADA captures the issue and sample details. Technicians then add more relevant data like problem area as dictated by the organization's QC program. I choose to send an NCR summary or include sample details with the summary. The summary report is a customizable template available for download on our website. Lastly, I choose the @ sign to send a notification to both LASTRADA and non-LASTRADA users. I will send it to myself as an example. Another purpose of NCR module is to meet AASHTO R18 standard and record control of non-conforming product and corrective action. To do this, we go to Testing Modules, then select NCR. Here, we will create a new record for an asphalt plant. Now, I can enter the details for the corrective action in this NCR. Once I am done entering all details, I can notify people inside and outside my organization using the Add button as shown before. We can use the same process for documenting customer feedback. The NCR is used to identify recurrent issues and opportunities for improvement. To do this, we go to Testing Modules, NCR, click on the Retrieve icon on the bottom left, select the NCRs you want to review with your organization for a specific plan or test, then select the document icon to run your report. Thank you for watching. For more practical pointers and other helpful videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at lastradapartners.com/resources.